In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Printify to Shopify. Now, you can go both ways. You can go the Shopify route, which we're going to show you first, and then we're going to go to Printify on their side of things, right? So in Shopify, once you've logged in and you're in your dashboard, what you want to do is click on Apps here, like so, and this search bar will appear, and just type in Printify, right? Like so. It's going to appear, so click on this, a new tab will appear. It's just like installing any other app that you want to integrate to your Shopify account. So click install. A new pop-up will appear again. There you go. And then click install. There you go. So here you're going to be asked to either create an account or log in. So if you have an account, click login. Or if you're new to Printify, just make a new account and you'll be good to go. So that's how you connect your Printify to your Shopify on the Shopify end of things. Now, to do this on Printify, so of course you need to have a Printify account. And what you want to do once you're in your dashboard is click on here, right? Your store name, like so, and click add new store. Do that. And here in this page, you're going to see a few options here that you can connect your store to. So click on Shopify. There you go. Click continue. Either create a new store or use existing store. So again, create a new store, baby. Click continue. Create now. How to start on Shopify. So just follow these instructions with Printify and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.